In today's Overloop AI review, we'll be diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software, which is already making waves in the digital marketing world. If you're looking for cutting-edge AI tools to streamline your marketing efforts, stay tuned because we're breaking down everything you need to understand, and trust me, there's a game-changing feature you don't want to miss. You can try Overloop AI for completely free with the first link in the description. Now, let's dive in. Overloop AI is designed to help businesses automate their workflows, manage sales, and boost conversions without any of the complexity typical of traditional CRM systems. What sets Overloop apart is how intuitive and user-friendly it is, even if you're new to AI-powered tools. First off, Overloop AI excels in automating repetitive tasks. It integrates with your email marketing, automates your follow-ups, and handles lead nurturing like a pro. You can set up workflows with just a few clicks, and the AI will handle the rest. This means less time spent on menial tasks and more focus on strategy. One thing that really caught my attention is its smart segmentation capabilities. Overloop AI uses advanced algorithms to categorize your leads based on their behavior and interests. This helps you create highly personalized email campaigns that are more likely to convert. If you've ever struggled with sending the right message to the right person at the right time, this feature could be a game changer for your business. The platform also offers powerful reporting and analytics. It doesn't just tell you what happened, but also provides actionable insights. You can track every interaction your leads have with your content, allowing you to adjust your strategies quickly and efficiently. Whether it's A/B testing for email campaigns or tracking which content resonates most with your audience, Overloop AI makes sure you have the data to optimize your efforts. Another feature worth noting is its integrations. Overloop integrates with several of the most popular tools out there, like Zapier, Google Analytics, and other CRMs, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're using Overloop as your primary tool or integrating it into your existing stack, it easily slots in to enhance your workflows. Overloop AI also has an excellent customer support system. I've tested many AI platforms, and support can be a real issue, but Overloop's team is responsive and helpful. They even have an extensive knowledge base that can help you troubleshoot and maximize the software's potential on your own. In terms of pricing, Overloop offers great value. You can get started with a free trial, and the paid plans are designed to scale with your business as it grows. For what it delivers, the pricing is very competitive compared to other AI-driven tools on the market. So after trying thousands of AI tools, I have my recommended AI software listed in the description below. If you're serious about automating your marketing efforts and boosting your conversions, Overloop AI might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Don't forget to try it for free using the link below and see how it can work for your business. That wraps up this Overloop AI review. Make sure to check out the free trial through the link in the description and explore other top AI tools that I recommend after personally testing them. Thanks for watching.